Good morning, afternoon, I don't even know what time it is. I don't think I've ever shown you guys my coleslaw dressing or anything of that nature, so I figured I'm doing it. Why not? I don't have a recipe for it, guys. I just put the ingredients in front of me and keep tasting it until it seems right, because every time I make coleslaw it's different amounts. So I got some mayonnaise here, and I gotta get some more mayonnaise apparently. Goodness, I really got to get some. Because that's all she wrote out of there. So we'll just do that. I use a combination of rice vinegar and lemon juice. Salt. Oh, pepper. I forgot the pepper. Some black pepper. You know, use as much or as little or none of whichever. I put a little bit of garlic powder in there and just a little bit of onion powder. And a sprinkle of sugar. I may need to add more of that. We'll see on that though. Give it a stir. I think everybody has their own way of how they make their coleslaw dressing. Okay. Oh, I like it when I nail it right the first go. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. And I got my bowl of chopped up cabbage and carrots. I just finely chopped my cabbage. I do not like it shredded because it reminds me of that KFC stuff for the store-bought, and I just don't like it. I always find the trick with coleslaw is to make it quite a few hours, even the day before you need it. So in that way the cabbage soaks everything up and the cabbage releases its own juices. And everybody gets happy and merry in there. Oh, this might be light on the dressing. Oh, my daughter's going to be mad at me. But that's okay. I better get used to it now, right? And gotta make sure you get it well combined. And there we go. I'm just going to pop this into a container. I probably need a bigger container than this. Let's see though. Can I muck it in there? Oh yeah. There's plenty of room. And this is an entire head of cabbage. It was not a very big cabbage. And there we go. So I'm just going to let this sit for quite some time because, oh, it's 11:45 now. So I'm just going to let this sit and do its thing. And then at supper time, we'll enjoy some coleslaw with our burgers. Yummy. So I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.